Alrighty guys, I'm coming out here. It's like 7 or 8 o'clock in the evening. I don't know right now, but about 30 minutes ago or so I was sitting in front of the computer editing a video, and I smelled something weird in the house, like this burning smell, and I couldn't figure out what it was. And I went to the thermostat and I noticed that the heat had just shut off. So I bumped it up to see if it was the unit, and so I turned the thermostat up to see if it was the unit, just out of curiosity, and turned the thermostat up and it kicked on, and there was no blower motor, and there was a really bad smell coming out of the vent, and it was the smell of burned up motor windings. So I came out here, this was about 15 minutes ago, and I took the door off with a socket and a nut driver because I don't have tools here no more. I moved everything from my shop up to where the 2020 temp store is. So I took the door off, checked the blower capacitor, and it was fine. Put my hand on the motor and it was so hot I couldn't hold my hand on the motor, and the unit's just in bad shape. As we all know, there is just so much from over the years of condensation not draining properly and stuff. It's just in bad shape. So this may be the very last video of this unit. I'm going to take the doors off again tomorrow when it's daylight and thoroughly go through it. But like I'm saying right now, this is possible farewell to the Goodman. The power shut off to it, thermostat's blank, and yeah. So if I decide to change out the unit, there'll be a video on it, and if not, we'll see it again. But anyways, hope y'all have a good New Year's. Figured I'd just do this update video. I'll be without heat for probably until Monday. See you on the next one. Bye for now. So here's the only video I got while I was outside in the unit. Here is the blower motor, original to the unit. I replaced the capacitor about, that was 2016, and it checked out just fine. Here's the model and serial number, and you can see how hot that blower motor got. I was not expecting this, especially on New Year's Eve 2020.